Phonological awareness is the awareness that speech is made up of individual sounds that are the building blocks of syllables and words. Okay, the first part of the definition is the awareness. Pictured here is a girl with her eyes closed. This image will help you remember that phonological awareness is all about hearing our language and being able to separate it into distinct sounds. The next part of the definition is speech. This is the stream of sounds that comes forth from your mouth when you talk. If you think about learning a new language, if you ever listen to, for example, Spanish, you may not be able to determine where one word ends and the next word begins. When you explicitly teach phonological awareness, you're helping students begin to sense where words start and end and the sounds that make up individual words, because this is going to prepare them for learning to read. The next part of the definition includes the words made up of. So here's where you start thinking about those sounds that make up our language. And here in this image I have it represented by not the letters, but the sounds k, a, and t. Okay, let's go back to that original definition one more time. Phonological awareness is the awareness that speech is made up of individual sounds that are the building blocks of syllables and words. In this image, you can see that there are some building blocks, and each building block has an individual speech sound contained on it. For example, in the word sheep, you have 3 sounds or 3 phonemes: sh, e, and p. The last part of the definition brings your attention to the fact that we're building something. What are we building? We're building syllables and words. One thing that can sometimes cause a little bit of confusion is the terminology. We have 2 terms, phonological awareness and phonemic awareness. Phonological awareness is more of an umbrella term. When we say that term, we're talking about all the different ways that we can divide up our language into its constituent parts. When we refer to phonemic awareness, that's specifically talking about dividing up a word into its phonemes or individual speech sounds. Like in the word cat, the phonemes are k, a, and t. You can think of phonological awareness like a bridge. As children walk across the bridge of phonological awareness, it's preparing them to decode and comprehend texts.